Hey, are you a digital marketer beginner and worried about your career, like how you will start and how your baby steps will be, and you are a completely newbie? So don't worry, your always 0 to 1 will be difficult. Even Steve Jobs and Bill Gates 0 to 1 was difficult. Like Steve Jobs made world class computer and he faced many hurdles, he made many mistakes. He also failed in many steps, but afterwards he gained himself and done all the stuff, all the great innovation. Like Bill Gates also, in case of Bill Gates, his 0 to 1 was to create the MS Word, and it was a very difficult for him and he faced so many hurdles. So, and 1 to n was the 1 to n stage was that, like, he inspired from the Google and made Bing search engine. It was easier for him, but still it was difficult. But don't worry. Similarly, if you gain the basics of digital marketing, I must say if your foundation is strong, your ahead journey in this digital marketing world will be easier for you. So let's get started with this, with the basics of the digital marketing. So digital marketing is a kind of marketing which you are doing in an online world, and you are engaging with people, you are selling a product, and also you are knowing your customer in an online way. So basically it is a marketing. Earlier we used to do traditional marketing. You as you have seen that in there are various banners on the road. No one attracts from it. Various ad banners are there, but now you see ad banners on Google, Facebook, many of the platform, right? So that is what digital marketing is. Digital marketing contains many things like SEO, social media marketing, pay per click, web analytics and reporting, email marketing, search engine marketing, and much more. So I'm giving you a brief about all these things so that you can get an idea before jumping into this field, and don't be afraid to go into this field, like whether you will do good or not. You have to cover all the things. You have to learn all the things, but you have to master into one. So it is not necessary that you can do all this stuff. Even a doctor learns general medicine, but he has an expertise into one. One is ENT, one is diabetologist, one is gyno. They know the general things, but they are known for one thing only. So what you have to do is know the brief of everything. Like suppose SEO is a search engine optimization where you make your website visible on the search results, on the Google search results, and in such a way that users come to your website, the visitors come to your website, and you analyze their behavior, their traffic, in such a way that they interact with your website, right? There are keyword research and there are many things in the SEO. So this is the brief I'm giving you. Like social media marketing, what you do, you sell your product, you research some content, what to post, how to post, at what time we need to post, you entertain people, attract people, you engage with them, know their problems with social media marketing. Now comes PPC. PPC it's basically paid media ads. In PPC, there are Facebook ads, where in Facebook you will have a product. Um, you need to make a content of your product to sell with advertisement, right? So you need to pay for it, and you need to clear out your objective for what you are and target audience to whom you are showing your ads. It is whatever you have saw in the Facebook, like between the video or between your post, and it has in Instagram also you have seen that there is a sponsored ads over there in the story and in the post also. So those are PPC ads. Even in Google, you must have seen in the website there are banners. Ads. Those are ads. In search results also, the first three results are ads. Whether you have seen or not, it's an ad written on the result, search result. So that is Google Ads. In YouTube, you must have seen. So that is also operated through Google. Now comes web analytics and report. So web analytics and report is like whenever the user come in your website, you get a report or analytics through a Google Analytics. So there you get an insight about the visitor, whether visitor is going to your targeted web page or not, or what is his or her behavior into that web page, whether they have buy something and went out from your website, or whether they have stayed and they are engaging with your website. All these things are done with the help of the, you can see with the help of the Google Analytics, and many tools are there to do that. Email marketing is something where you market your product or your services through emails, through Gmail account. Gmails are there. Through email, you can do content marketing over there, or also you can entertain people like in emails also. There are, for lead generation, email marketing is best. And yeah, through email marketing you can give a personal touch, you can interact with people very easily. Now comes to SEM. SEM is like something like search engine marketing, which we can say that Google, similar to Google Ads, and you just do marketing in the search results, like as you have seen the ads thing. So SEM is basically, we can consider that also in this. So how to get started? You have learned all these things I have briefed you about, but how to get started? That is the main thing. Like how to go from 0 to 1. What is the process? So I must say, like to have a good experience in digital marketing, you should have your own social proof. Like start your own blog. Don't worry how to write blog. Research on it. Do keyword research. Do read other people's blog and try to do it. At least start your writing. You will definitely uh, have a grip on your writing at some point, at some day. So, like, start your blog, your own blog. You can create blog on WordPress, uh, buy hosting, buy domain. It is a one-time investment, but it will be worth it. Buy hosting and domain from the good services like Hostinger, WPX, A2 hosting, and all. Afterwards, do a setup of a WordPress, and select your themes, plugins, etc. Then learn basic SEO, like how to do keyword research, how to do content optimization, how your heading and headline, title tag, URL should be, and how how on-page activity and off-page activity are done. Based on that, you can learn little SEO so that your SEO part will be covered by this. Your content writing in the WordPress website will be covered by in the first step. Second step, you will learn the SEO. At least you have a basic knowledge and working on the basic SEO. Now learn analytics. Analytics, like go to Google Analytics, explore it, how to connect Google Analytics with the website, how to connect Google Search Console to the website. Learn these all things. Afterwards, when your visitors or when your visitor will come to a website, you can analyze them through the Google Analytics. Where from where those visitors are they coming from social media to your visitor? Are they coming from email marketing? Are they coming from any referral site? So you can have a good idea about it. For analytics, Google Analytics, there is post for Google Analytics. You can search there from Google. It's free, and yeah. So start a FB page for social media marketing. You can start your own FB page. Then with a small budget, you can start a FB advertisement for a blog you have written, so that people can read and see your page and your website. Then go with the email marketing. with a less number of people. At least try to do that, how the email marketing works, and go for automation, email marketing automation, where you can in which you can submit all the subscribers, and then they will get your personalized message, and how to also learn about how to make a personalized message, and promote your blog using AdWords. AdWords means Google AdWords, Google Ads. The early name was AdWords. We used to say AdWords earlier, but now it's Google Ads. So from that you can promote your blog. You can pay little amount, or also Google gives some credit, so you can use that and promote it. Then afterward, learn Google AdSense. Google AdSense is something like uh, many publishers want to publish there. Many advertisers want to publish their ads to a website, right? They need a place to uh, show their ads. So you can charge them for their ads and give them space on your website so that they can advertise. You can earn also from this, and you can also earn from this. And affiliate marketing, you can explore, like, if I can give you a brief about affiliate marketing, you sell a product of a brand, and in every selling, in every conversion, they give you commission for the sale. So there are many deep things in the affiliate marketing to understand, but you can start from this. You can start doing all these things by starting your blog. Yeah, so this is your journey from zero to it. It will be difficult because it is new for you and you have to cope up all the things. But I make sure 1 to n will be not that much difficult. So like SEO may, your SEO thing may give you results not very much, like not very rapidly, but definitely if you've done something effectively in SEO, then it will definitely work for you. Yeah, so that's it. I think you have got some idea about the digital marketing, how to get started. Please make sure, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and also give me some feedback so that I can get some encouragement to guide you towards this digital marketing world. Yeah, thank you.